Welcome to watchersandart.com. Here is one amazing timepiece by Louis Moinet in St. Blaise in Switzerland. I will let Aurélie tell you about it. This has everything that's crazy about a watch, but in a very, very cool way. So here we go.
So hello everyone, this is Space Revolution. This is a flying double tourbillon satellite. You can see that there are two tourbillons rotating on the dial, which are rotating in different directions, at different level and with different speeds. And you also have two spaceships that are also rotating in different directions, different speed and different levels. You can see on the back an aventurine dial, and if you look at the case, it's all made of rose gold and sapphire. Brand new case, very modern case. You can see the contrast and the volume, all the parts inside. And if you look under the hands, in the center, you have a relief fragment either of the moon, of Mars, or other meteorites. If we turn the watch, you can see the mechanical parts of the winding movement. And here you have a button. You can either set the time or power the watch. So now if I turn it back, if I turn here, I wind the watch. And if I change the button here, on time set, up, I can set the time.
Very cool. An ingenious timepiece, quite playful. Really enjoy this. It's not limited, right? Oh, it is limited?
It's limited, yes,
okay.
to 8 pieces.
Oh, 8 pieces. Okay, cool. Well, we hope that you enjoyed this funny timepiece. It's a real masterpiece, I would say. Thank you.
Thank you.